Today we're going to look at a beautiful human hair wig that I think you're going to love. Today we are going to look at this gorgeous human hair wig from WIGSHE. And y'all, I got to tell you, this is some of the most beautiful packaging that I think I have ever seen on a wig. This box is beautiful, so well made. This comes so well packaged. It has a little satin pouch that the wig comes in. Now, I did a full unboxing of this over on my Instagram, so if you want to see how it came right out of the box, you can see it over there. Now, this human hair wig was provided to me by WIGSHE. This is 078. Wig 078 is what this one is. I'm going to have a link in the drop down box below this video. So just to expand the drop down box, there'll be a link where you can order there. And also, if you use my code Crazywiglady, you can save an extra 10%. Now, this color is light ash blonde and it is gorgeous. I'm going to show you this all the way around. So much movement here. This is a beautiful piece. It has one of the most beautiful lace fronts I have seen. I think they did a beautiful job on that. All right, I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. This fit me large. This comes in a small, average, and large cap size. I wish I would have gotten the small, but I got the average cap and it was big, but I used the adjusters and I was able to get a good fit. This is 12 inches, premium human hair, 120% density, and it has the lightly bleached knots. There are lots of different ways you can order this. Y'all, this hair feels amazing. Just beautiful. Now, as I talked about in my unboxing, this came with a little bit of box hair. So I used this curling iron and I added just some easy waves, kind of a beachy wave to mine, and it turned out just how I wanted it. I ran this comb through it just to loosen up those waves that I put in it. It was really easy to curl. It took me about 15 minutes just to add this little bit of wave to it. Now, this wig, again, is 078. It's available in seven different colors. You can also get it in 150 density, this being the 120, but you can get the 150 density if you prefer that. Again, it comes in small, average, and a large size cap. Lightly bleached knots is what I got, but you can also have the option of getting full bleached knots. So there's lots of options in this. It comes, like I said, mine's 12 inches, but it comes from 12 inches to 24 inches. So lots of variety here. Anyhow you want this one, you can get it. All right, I'm going to insert the inside of the cap so you can have a really close look at it. It has an extended lace front, of course, and a lace top. Now, I changed the part. It was more in the middle. I changed my part to the side because that's just how I prefer. But that lace top, you can see you have all that parting option there. It's a wefted cap that's covered with this fabric, as you can see. It has ear tabs, removable combs. I'm going to take those out. It has the clips at the ear tabs. I'm also going to remove those. So all of that is removable if you would like. It has a little bit of an extended nape there, the hook closures. So it is a very well-made cap. I'm also going to insert some footage of this color. Light ash blonde, exactly what they say it is. It is a light ash blonde. It's on a darker root, as you can see. I feel like this root shows darker on camera than it does in person, in my opinion, but it does have the dark rooting, as you can see here around. I want you to make sure you see that. So it does have the darker rooting. Really pretty, and this came super fast. They got this to me in a very timely manner. I was so impressed when I got this wig. This has been one of my favorites that I have gotten human hair wigs. I just think the hair is beautiful. It was easy to add curl to. I love everything about it. I think they did a beautiful job with the lace on this. You can wear this in a half up, half down, however you want to. It has enough length with it being 12 inches. You can style this lots of different ways, wear it different ways, wear it off your face all the way if you want. Just a lot of things you can do with this. Straighten it where it board straight would be pretty. However you want to do it, you have all those options with this human hair. What do you think about this wig? Let's talk about it. Have you tried any of these WIGSHE wigs? I'm just curious about this brand. I want to know more about it. I want to try some more. Thank you so much, WIGSHE, for sending this over to me to review for you today. I enjoyed this so much. So let me know your thoughts about this wig and if you've tried these before. And don't forget to look in the drop-down box for a link, and also save yourself some money over there using my code. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.